She said, I called the police. I said, I mean, you did because I seen some kids running around. She said, it don't make no sense. Ain't no kids did. You did it. At third brick, she opened the door and said, come on in. Why you do me like this? Why? And I heard, I said, oh, calm down, baby. I'll pay for it. Which is why she let me in. She know I was going to pay. I got it fixed the next day. Ain't nothing but glass. But I got strategy, man. Do y'all understand that? So if I meet Nate Boom, Dante, or whatever, you don't think I have strategy? You don't think I know how to handle myself? I haven't told you what I just told you, show you how my mind works. Let me tell you another strategy. In prison, when I was controlling stuff, and them guards put a guard on my wall that is real strict. When I see the warden make rounds and the senior captain, I say, hey, I thank y'all for putting that guard on the wall. He's cool, bro.